My puppies are socialized at a young age. This is Kung Fu Panda. This is Kung Fu Chicken. He's helps socialize my dogs and puppies. Come on, Juju. Come on, a little bit. Where you at? There's a little bit over there. They all love that chicken. He's part of the family. So is the guinea. These are American bullies. They're very loving animals. Kung Fu Chicken don't play around though. That's one chicken you don't want to mess with. That's Kung Fu. Kung Fu Chicken! What's up, player? That's a country chicken. That chicken don't play no games.